Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to the online classes of English for the session 2020-21. Yesterday, we have discussed and noted about definitions of various verbs related to prepare or cook food, as well as we have done the questions to form nouns from the verbs given and to use them in sentence. If you remember, I gave one sentence for each word, and I also asked you to prepare at least one sentence on your own for each noun word. Hope you all have done your homework. I will check it when our school will reopen. Today, we will proceed with the next exercise part, that is true or false, from chapter 1.1 and 1.2. Let's begin. First of all, put the date 22/4/2020, lesson 1.1, 1.2. True or false? First question. Vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. True. Vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. True. Second, modern medical men doesn't favor vegetarian food. False. Modern medical men doesn't favor vegetarian food. False. Number 3. Vegetables are a lot costlier than meat. False. Vegetables are a lot costlier than meat. False. 4. Everyone can afford to buy meat. False. Everyone can afford to buy meat. False. Number 5. Vegetables takes up much less land than the raising of livestock. True. Vegetables takes up much less land than the raising of livestock. True. Number 6. Meat has become the biggest cause of deforestation. True. Meat has become the biggest cause of deforestation. True. Number 7. To produce 1 kg of animal meat, we need 7 kgs of grain. True. To produce 1 kg of animal meat, we need 7 kgs of grain. True. Number 8. Millions of our wells are going dry. Millions of our wells are going dry due to growing of crops and drinking. False. Number 8. False. Number 9. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish. True. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish. True. Number 10. Eating a lot of meat can lead to health problems. True. Eating a lot of meat can lead to health problems. True. Number 11. Peanut butter, cornflakes are low protein vegetable food. False. Peanut butter, cornflakes are low protein vegetable food. False. Why it is false? Because they are high protein, rich protein vegetable food. Okay. Then 12. Fiber is good for digestion. True. Fiber is good for digestion. True. Number 13. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins and minerals. True. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins and minerals. True. See, I have highlighted all the trues and false so that you can understand properly. If you want, you can also use highlighter for your copy. Otherwise, you can underline with pencil or black pen. Number 14. In rich countries, there are more vegetarian people than non-vegetarian. False. In rich countries, there are more vegetarian people than non-vegetarian. False. Because in rich countries, there are more non-vegetarian people. 15. We need energy even when we are asleep. True. We need energy even when we are asleep. True. Number 16. Our heart doesn't need energy to keep beating. False. Our heart doesn't need energy to keep beating. False. Number 17. The more inactive a person is, the more energy his body consumes. False. The more inactive a person is, the more energy his body consumes. False. So the true one will be the more active a person is. Okay. Number 18. It's very important to take junk foods. Obviously it will be false. It's very important to take junk foods. False. It's not at all important to take junk foods as they are harmful for us. Number 19. A healthy balanced diet has the right proportion of nutrient. True. A healthy balanced diet has the right proportion of nutrient. True. Number 20. If we take more energy than we eat, the excess is converted into carbohydrates. False. If we take more energy than we eat, the excess is converted into carbohydrates. False. So what will be the true one? If we take more energy than we eat, the excess is converted into fats, not carbohydrates, because carbohydrates gives us energy. Number 21. Most energy in our food comes from fat. False. Most energy in our food comes from fat. False. Because most energy in our food comes from carbohydrates, not from fats. Number 22. Proteins are true bodybuilders. True. Proteins are true bodybuilders. True. This I gave you for the fill-ups. I hope you remember. 23. We get fats only from animals. False. We get fats only from animals. False. Because we not only get fats from animals as well as from plants through oil, corn oil. Number 24. To get vitamins, it's important to take vitamin pills. False. To get vitamins, it's important to take vitamin pills. False. Because it's not necessary to take vitamin pills. Rather than that, we have to take lots of leafy vegetables and other sources of fruits and vegetables. 25. We get calcium from milk and cheese. True. We get calcium from milk and cheese. True. 26. Iron is needed for the production of red blood cells in our blood. True. Iron is needed for the production of red blood cells in our blood. True. 27. About 1/3 of the weight of our body is water. False. About 1/3 of the weight of our body is water. False. Why it is false? Because About 2/3 of the weight of our body is water, not 1/3. That is 70% of our body is of water. 28. Fiber is a nutrient. False. Fiber is a nutrient. False. Fiber is not a nutrient. It's roughage, but it helps in digestion. 29. Fiber helps to grip the food well as it passes through our intestines. True. Fiber helps to grip the food well as it passes through our intestines. True. Last one. Most important of all, our food should be stale. False. Most important of all, our food should be stale. False. Why it is false? Because stale means in Hindi sada hua. So is it good for us to eat stale food? No. Every time we have to eat fresh foods. So here we have completed our today's exercise. Now I'll start the new chapter in the next class. Thank you, children.